Now, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt in the Julio, and today we got a busy ass day. We got a full house clean out, and we're gonna do two parts on this one. Part one today, and part one another day. I don't know which day. We're so damn busy, it's crazy.
Yeah, we've been staying busy for sure ever since he got back from North Carolina. Crazy busy.
And look at the Julio. He hasn't even had time to shave his face. We've been so damn busy. I hope you wiped your ass at least. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button. You ready to get this money?
I'm ready to get it.
Let's get it.
So let's go check out that job. It's in Rohnert Park, California.
So welcome back to the channel. It's Matt in the Julio. And today we got a house clean out, Julio. And look at that right there. I think we might be able to throw some stuff off the balcony into the dump truck.
That's better than trying to walk everything down. I'd rather just throw it from up there if I can.
That's what I'm talking about. So make sure you smash that like button if you want to see me in the Julio get this money.
Hey. Are you making fun of me right now? What the hell, Julio? You're fired, bro. For real. I'm gonna leave your ass here.
Now let's talk about this job. This is a job I didn't think I was gonna get. I quoted it between 4 to 5 loads. It's a whole house clean out. And the lady called me a week later and said that we weren't the cheapest, but she liked the way I showed up and talked to her and the way I talked to her on the phone. So check out the job. And there's stuff upstairs and downstairs. So there's about 4 to 5 loads here. And me and the Julio will do 3 loads today. Just like that, the first job is complete, and how this customer found us was a Google search. Now I'm gonna have the JoJo drop some game for you.
So the best way to increase your SEO for absolutely free is to make sure that on all the platforms you're on, Instagram, Facebook, Google My Business, make sure that you, when you post things on any of those sites, make sure you include your website link, because you want people to be able to click on that link and take them directly to your website. Because the more people that go to your website, the more that increases your search and your SEO rank will skyrocket.
Now, something else me and the Julio are gonna do today is count how many junk haulers we see. Yesterday, how many did we see?
1.
Just Junk King. And today so far we've seen
1.
only 1.
Matt, so tell me why it's so important to show up with good uniform and great decals in the back of your truck.
You want to look professional, Julio. It's like this. I wouldn't hire no crackhead to show up at my house and hang out with the JoJo and look at my Capri Suns and my Lunchables and try to steal my Amazon box off my front porch. Oh, hell no. You want to look clean and professional whenever you show up to the job. You don't want to look all ghetto, Julio. It's so important. You'll land more jobs that way.
And always have a good smile.
Always have a good smile. Now, Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
I'm going to go with my gut feeling. I say 60.
60?
60.
I'm going to say $53. And leave a comment down below what you guys think. And we already dropped the mattresses off for free. So today's going to be a good day, Julio.
And that's a lighter load.
It's a lighter load, so we're heading to the landfill now.
And if you want to learn how we advertise absolutely free, click on this video right here.
So we've seen 2 haulers today. 1 just passed by us, so that makes it 2 today. Actually 3 with us on the road too.
prediction of the dump fee? It wasn't you, it was Mr. MV. And you know what that stands for, right? Most Valuable Junk Hauler. Now, Julio, who's the hauler and baller of the week?
Fairfax junk removal.
And check out that hauling and balling gear. That's a future hauler and baller right there.
If I didn't get out of the truck, I probably would have won the pricing on it.
You're probably right. So now we're heading back to the job. You ready?
I'm ready.
So now we're back for round number 2. And something we always do is tackle the harder stuff first. So if we see a big piece of furniture that's super heavy, we'll load that in first. And we always start upstairs and work our way down. Now let's get to work. Now, just like that, load 2 is done, and we still only seen 2 haulers plus ourselves.
So it's 3? Man, I don't know what's going on out there.
It's crazy. Now, Julio, what's your prediction on the dump fee on this one right here?
55.
55?
55.
I'm gonna say 51. And now Julio has a question for me.
What's the nastiest job you ever did?
The most nastiest and filthiest and dirtiest job I ever did was in Cloverdale, California. When I first started this business, we showed up and there was about 15 loads there. Plus I had to rent a dumpster and there were still squatters inside the house looking out the blinds like this while we were doing the job, Julio.
That must have been uncomfortable.
It was crazy. There was nasty bugs and roaches and maggots. Wow. The refrigerator had a bunch of old food in it. There were syringes, crack pipes, and the JoJo found her first meth pipe there at the job.
You're lucky you guys didn't poke yourself, dude.
No, for real. We were all booted up and ready to go. And there was a sink there that underneath the sink, the cat was shitting in there. It was that bad.
You're lucky you didn't have one of them try to fight you or something.
What, the cat or the crackhead?
Both.
But anyways, that's the nastiest job we did. But you know what? I smacked him upside the head with the price, and it made it worth it. And that was about 3 years ago. So leave a comment down below. What's your nastiest, filthiest job you ever did? And how much money did you make off it? So now we're heading to the landfill. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
So Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one right here?
55.
I'm gonna say 51, and let's find out what happens.
Hopefully I win.
Hopefully not. So looky. It was 700 pounds. We dropped the mattresses off for free, and the Julio is pissed off. So yeah, I won. So here's the real tip of the day. Julio, did you bring your wallet?
No, I didn't.
What the hell? He wants me to buy him lunch, coffee, energy drinks, and his wife just texted him right now and said he needs to bring home some diapers. This ain't cool, Julio.
Diapers aren't cheap.
And that's the tip of the day. Don't bring your wallet and be a dirtbag.
Next time I'll bring it.
You gotta start looking in them couch cushions for coins. Shit. For real. So we're back for round number 3. Let's do it. Now, just like that, we're done for the day, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm worn the hell out, Julio.
Me too.
I've been working every single day. Yesterday we killed it, the day before we killed it, the day before we killed it. I'm not trying to brag, I'm just keeping it real. And how many haulers did we see today?
I think 3, including us, is 4.
4 junk haulers all day. So if you guys like these videos, what do you want them to do, Julio?
Press that like button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Catch you on the next one.